This is a Sangamo type F portable watt meter. This was built between 1935 and 1936. Got an input of 5 amps, 115 volts, 60 cycles. There's the serial number, 6.8 million, which gives the vintage. It's got 1/3 of a watt hour per disc revolution. And there's two different type Fs. This is a type F portable from the mid-30s. Then if you go back in this 1923 book, there's an older type F that had a mercury motor. This one does not have a mercury motor, so this book's from 1923, the 4th edition. Anyways, I've got the coil out of this. There's the disc that's in there. Here's the side, there's no ground. Input cord was over here. Gotta put a new cord in it. So the way this works is you plug it in and you have it hooked up to your device. You measure the amount, run it around half a day, whatever you want a day. This reads the number of kilowatt hours. So to prevent somebody from messing with this little lock gizmo, you put a seal on it. See the meter disc turning here in case you want to count it and use a number of seconds, minutes to figure out the number of watt hours, because it's 1/3 of a watt hour per revolution of the disc. But once you're done, whoever's using this, you can break the seal, and then you go through and rotate this around, and then you can undo the glass here. And let me just take the meter out real quick from the back, just to show what's going on. So when it's locked, there's a little latch mechanism there. Prevents that bezel from rotating. So when you pull this up and go this way, now you can rotate it, and it's just like undoing a... Let me just see if I can turn that. I rotated it. Make sure the glass doesn't come out. So I took this glass out to clean it. And it probably needs a little bit more friction to keep it in there, but there's the slots. It's got a tab here, tab here. There's a tab right there. So normally you don't have the meter out here, but this is the way you take the meter face out, the bezel, and then you just go through. This has got a slip on it here. You just bring this back. And I better make sure that's slipping in the right. I don't know if it's made to slip right there or not. I have to be careful with that. Maybe somebody else can chime in. Looks like it works like that. There's the disc. You got some little slots on here. Generally there's an anti-creep piece on there. This may be the slow fast. It's probably that. Little star wheel in there. I'll have to read up on this particular one. So this is die cast aluminum. You can see the draft of the mold. So the meter piece fits down in there, and then this is the coil assembly, drops down on top of that. And you've got 3 screws that hold this in place. One of them has this triangular piece that goes on top of this, and that goes into the phenolic right here. And look at the coil, it's stamped 115 volt, 115 F60, so that's 60 hertz. And I'll show you on here on the coil. This is the current coil. This is the voltage coil. So all the current is going through these, and then the voltage supplied goes onto this. So if they're out of phase, what happens, like if this hook, the capacitor, it's not going to have any torque to move the aluminum disc. So that's kind of a way a watt meter works. And I need to go ahead and hook a modern cord on that. It looks like it says 10 amps, 250 volts, 125 amp. There's the little mechanism gizmo. I got this years ago, so I don't know if I want to convert this over. Maybe just punch a hole in here, hook it up with the ground. I haven't put a megger on this to see if the coil is degraded. A lot of times this insulation on here can be to where it's sort of hokey. Some of these were actually used, you know, just to measure on appliances what the power is. There was also some that were hooked up in a plating, so that when you plated something, you put so many watt hours in, kilowatt hours in the process. So they used them not just as an experimental gizmo, but also to go through and, you know, you want to electroplate something and you have it through a rectifier, and you want to figure out how much energy you put in. So there you go, there's kilowatt hours. Only goes to 20. That's about it.